Hey guys, so I found this e-portfolio of this guy, Nathan Comstock, and he seems to be a teacher at a couple of different places. I like up here how there's a whole bunch of different tabs on him, and this visual is quite nice. So we'll just go through real quick and see if his links work. So volunteering, probably right to this page, pretty in-depth. Um, Details about what he does. Seems like he's very involved in his schooling, which is nice. Seems to be very physical education based, judging by his visuals, which I mean is nice that he is very outright about that. Let's try another link here. I don't know, let's go here. Okay, so it brought me to this page again. Very nice visual representation up here. Going through his goals here. One thing I would like to see is maybe bullet points. I think it looks a little more clean. But as far as overall formatting, indentations there, so it's easier to read. But I do think the bullet pointing or dashes would have made things a little bit nicer and visually appealing. This embedded script here looks nice. Okay, and we'll just go back to his homepage here. Everything seems to be in working order. I like how it gives a first and foremost, first bullet point here is teaching career, gives his background. Bullet points here, very nice. I don't know why he didn't do that for the other link there, but I like it. Yes, coaching, physical education here, and some pictures about himself. Shows that he's goofy, but also colleagues there. I like that. I like how it was future goals at the very end. Maybe would have added a little bit more, but not too bad. Yeah, I mean overall, looks like a pretty well put together portfolio. Everything seems to be working order. Yeah, I think it looks very nice.